Hello there, my fellow friends. Today we will be making water since you are running out of food very fast. So you have to get a bucket of water first, and then you dump the ice because you need ice. Okay? Then you got to mix it up. Where? You got to get the whisk. Gosh, place everything in there. You whisk that real good. Oh my gosh. Don't make a mess. Then you want to cut the water because the water, it needs cut. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, be careful. Have a parent around if you're going to use this sharp knife. Okay? Okay. Or the Holy Spirit. He'll heal you faster than your mom will. Let me tell you. Okay, you want to start on this side and then go to this side unless you're left-handed. Okay? Okay. Oh, that was hot. So now it's broken up, as you can tell. You want to pour this section in the water. Got a cough, you know what I'm saying? Oh gosh. Oh man. Don't spill it on the ground like I did, but that's okay. Nobody cares. So then, you want to get this thingy. I don't know what it's called. This is my first time. You want to pour some water. And you light it in here. Make sure it's hot water because we don't like that cold water. You dump that in there. Oh. Get a scoop of it. You want to cut this one too. And if you're at your grandma's house, she definitely has one of these because your grandma has to be older than 70. I don't know how to work that. But yeah, we ran out of time for today. But next week I will be teaching you how to make ice. Goodbye.